Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off show character count in messages on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings, and in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on messages. Next, scroll down and then tap on character count. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now once it is turned on, you can go to your text messages, and here you will see it will show the character count. Now this only applied if you are setting SMS or MMS text messages. If you are setting an iMessage, it will not show the character count. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.